The ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro represents the pinnacle of mobile gaming hardware in 2025. Marrying cutting-edge performance with a distinctive aesthetic. At its core, it runs on Qualcomm latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Built on a 3nm process with two 4.32 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix L cores and six 3.53 GHz Phoenix M cores, paired with an Adreno 830 GPU. Coupled with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone easily handled everything from console-quality titles to intensive multitasking in our tests. Departing from the angular, industrial look of its predecessors, the ROG Phone 9 Pro adopts a sleeker, more refined silhouette while retaining subtle gaming cues. Its 163.8 x 76.8 x 8.9 mm metal frame wraps around a Gorilla Victus 2 protected front panel, ensuring durability against drops and scratches. The redesigned matte glass back features stylized, diagonal Zephyrus-inspired lines that nod to ASUS' broader gaming ecosystem, and a red-accented, trapezoidal camera island lends a hint of aggression. Weighing 227 grams, the 9 Pro feels substantial, yet balanced in hand, a welcome improvement over bulkier earlier models. Notably, its only available color is Phantom Black, which cleverly hides the 648 mini LEDs that make up the Anime Vision interactive panel. When inactive, these LEDs remain invisible when active. They can display customizable animations or even simple games like Brick Smasher and Snake Venture. An entertaining feature for quick breaks between matches. On the front sits a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen, with a full HD resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. Thanks to LTPO technology, the refresh rate dynamically scales from 1 Hz to a blistering 185 Hz, balancing smoothness with battery conservation. Colors appear rich and accurate, 1 billion shades supported, and HDR10 compatibility ensures striking highlights and deep blacks. The minimal bezels frame the panel elegantly, and the punch hole houses a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Gamers will appreciate the 1-millisecond touch response and peak brightness levels that remain legible even under direct sunlight during outdoor play sessions. With both hardware and software tuned for speed, the ROG Phone 9 Pro scored over 3 million points in Antutu benchmarks when in X mode, a performance mode that unlocks maximum CPU-GPU frequencies. Even with X mode disabled, scores remained near 2.94 million, easily outpacing competitors like the Vivo X200 Pro. Geekbench 6 results mirrored this dominance, with single-core scores exceeding 3,100 and multi-core scores around 10,000. ASUS' revamped cooling system employs a graphite thermal pad that is 57% larger than that of the previous generation. This expanded heat dissipation area keeps sustained gaming sessions from throttling performance. For those who need extra cooling, the Aero Active Cooler X Pro accessory, bundled with higher-end editions, provides active airflow and customizable RGB lighting. Photographers will find a robust triple camera array on the rear, a 50-megapixel Sony Lisha 700 main sensor, f1.9, 24mm equivalent utilizes gimbal-style OIS for stable shots and smooth video. A 32-megapixels telephoto lens f2.4 offers 3 times optical zoom, with OIS and up to 30 times digital zoom, while a 13-megapixels ultra-wide sensor f2.2 120 FOV doubles as a macro shooter. The result is a versatile imaging system capable of crisp landscapes, detailed close-ups, and clean low-light captures. The front-facing 32-megapixels camera supports high-resolution selfies and 4K video recording. The ROG Phone 9 Pro houses a 5,800 mAh battery, 300 mAh larger than its predecessor, for extended gaming sessions. ASUS claims 4.5 hours of continuous high-intensity gameplay before needing a recharge. And the cell retains at least 80% of its original capacity after 1,000 full charge cycles. Roughly 3 years of daily use. Fast charging arrives via 65W wired over USB-C, topping the battery from 0 to 100% in about 40 minutes. A15W Qi compatible wireless charging option provides added convenience for quick desk-side top-ups. In the box, the ROG Phone 9 Pro Edition includes the Aero Active Cooler X Pro, 2 protective cases, a power brick, and a USB-C cable. The cooler docks magnetically to the phone back, delivering both airflow and customizable anime vision animations. On-device controls include dual air trigger touch sensors along the top and bottom edges, configurable as virtual shoulder buttons, and physical power and volume buttons on the right flank. A 3.5mm headphone jack and additional USB-C port on the left side. Support simultaneous charging and audio, or connectivity to external accessories, like the cooler. Internationally, the ROG Phone 9 Pro starts at $1,200 for the 16GB RAM 512GB storage configuration. The top-tier ROG Phone 9 Edition, which bundles 24GB RAM, 1TB storage, and the Aero Active Cooler X Pro, carries a $1,500 price tag. With its potent Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, near flagship camera array, innovative anime vision back panel, and formidable cooling, the ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro stands out as one of the most compelling gaming phones of 2025. Its combination of raw power and thoughtful design features will satisfy both hardcore gamers and enthusiasts seeking a high-performance Android device.